take a look at this image. This one and also this one. All these images are actually AI generated. And today in this video, I will teach you how can you create these realistic images with the help of AI. So for this tutorial, we are going to use Midjourney AI, and here is the step-by-step guide. Step number 1, create a Discord account. Step number 2, sign in into Midjourney. Step number 3, join the Midjourney's Discord server. Step number 4, set up the Midjourney bot. After completing all these steps, we can start generating our image. So without wasting any more time, let's begin our tutorial. So first open your web browser, then go to Google and search Discord. Click on search, then just simply click on the first link. Now just simply click on login and then click on register. So right now we are in the account creation page. So here you just need to give your email address, give yourself a unique username, create a password and give your birth date. Then simply click on continue. Now simply click on I am human, then verify yourself. And a few seconds later, your account will be created. So 90% of the work has been done. And now we just need to install a Discord on our system. Go on Google, search Discord again, click on the first link and then simply click on download for Windows. And then click on save, and here you can see our download has been started. After finishing your download, just simply click on it to start the installation process. It takes around 2 minutes to fully install this software on your system, and after the installation has been done, you will see a screen like this. Now here you just need to put your email address and password, then simply click on login. And we are inside Discord, but still we have one thing left to do, and that is to verify our account. Now simply open your email and there you will see that you have received a mail from Discord. Simply click on that mail and then click on verify email, and you have successfully verified your Discord account. And that is it. We have successfully created our own Discord account, and now we can start learning about Midjourney. And now we just need to sign in into Midjourney's official website. First, let's open Google, then search Midjourney. Click on the first link, and right now we are in the home page of Midjourney. Simply click on sign in, then click on authorize, and you have successfully signed in into Midjourney. So now we just need to join Midjourney's official Discord server. So the first thing we need to do is open Google and search Midjourney. Then simply click on beta and then click on join the beta. Then click on join Midjourney. Click on I am human, verify yourself, and you have successfully joined the Midjourney Discord server. And now we just need to set up the Midjourney bot. So the first thing we need to do is we need to create our own server. Simply click on this icon right here. Click on create my own. Then click on for me and my friends. Then you just need to give a name to your server. I will simply type Midjourney bot server. Then click on create. And we have successfully created our own server. And now we can invite the Midjourney bot in our server. So we have to go to the Midjourney's Discord server. Then click right here. Then click here, Midjourney bot. Click on add to server. Click here, select a server. Select your server. Click on continue. Click on authorize. I am human. And you have successfully added Midjourney to your server. And now if we click on our server, then you can see here it says, yay, you made it, Midjourney bot. So we have successfully added Midjourney bot to our server. And now we can start generating our image. So first thing we are going to do is come right here, type slash, then type settings, settings, click on settings, then press enter. Then select this one right here, MJ version 5. Then click on dismiss message. Midjourney actually uses text to generate images. So what we need to do is we need to put text so that we can generate our image. So now we need to type again slash, then we need to type imagine, IMAGINE. Select imagine. Now simply whatever you want to generate. So for example, let's say I want to generate an image of Keanu Reeves as Iron Man. So I will simply type Keanu Reeves as Iron Man. Then I will simply press enter. And here you can see Midjourney has generated our image. Let's take a close look. And it's looking absolutely amazing, just amazing, especially this one right here. This one is looking really photorealistic. So this is how you can generate ultra realistic images with Midjourney. And if you want to learn more about Midjourney, then please check out my channel. I upload videos on Midjourney regularly. So if you are interested, then you can learn a lot about Midjourney from my channel. So that was it for today's video, and I will see you in our next video.